Hello, friends! Welcome to Speak Flow English. Learn, practice, speak, succeed.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I am from America.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I like reading.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Are you busy?
No, I am free.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
Can you drive?
No, I can't.
Do you work?
Yes, I do.
Where do you work?
I work in a shop.
Do you have friends?
Yes, many friends.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
What movie do you like?
I like action movies.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Turkey.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I do.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do.
What time do you wake up?
At 7 a.m.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you watch?
I watch news.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like it.
Why do you learn English?
For work and travel.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, every day.
Do you like social media?
Yes, I do.
Are you tired?
No, I am okay.
What are you doing now?
I am studying.
Are you at home?
Yes, I am.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea.
Do you cook?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you cook?
I cook soup.
Do you like your city?
Yes, it is nice.
Is it cold today?
Yes, a little.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
Do you take a bus?
Yes, every day.
How far is your school?
It is near.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, a cat.
What is its name?
Its name is Mimi.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
What do you buy?
Clothes.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I love summer.
Why?
Because it is warm.
Do you like winter?
No, I don't.
Why not?
It is very cold.
Do you read books?
Yes, I do.
What books do you read?
Simple English books.
Do you write in English?
Yes, a little.
Do you listen to English?
Yes, every day.
Where do you learn English?
On YouTube.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, very much.
Is English easy?
A little.
Is it interesting?
Yes, very interesting.
Do you practice every day?
Yes, I do.
How long do you study?
1 hour.
Do you like this lesson?
Yes, I do.
What do you do in the morning?
I drink coffee.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat?
Eggs and bread.
Do you go to work?
Yes, I do.
What time do you go?
At 9 a.m.
Do you like your boss?
Yes, he is kind.
Do you work hard?
Yes, I do.
Are you tired after work?
Yes, a little.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV.
Do you relax?
Yes, I do.
Do you go out?
Sometimes.
Where do you go?
To a cafe.
Do you meet friends?
Yes, I do.
What do you talk about?
Life and work.
Do you like weekends?
Yes, I love weekends.
What do you do on weekends?
I rest.
Do you travel on weekends?
Sometimes.
Where do you go?
To the mountains.
Do you take photos?
Yes, I do.
Do you like photos?
Yes, very much.
Do you use Instagram?
Yes, I do.
Do you post photos?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, every day.
What do you watch?
English videos.
Do you learn fast?
I try.
Are you motivated?
Yes, I am.
Do you like learning?
Yes, I do.
Is this useful?
Yes, very useful.
Will you continue?
Yes, of course.
Are you ready to speak English?
Yes, I am ready.